No teeth. No teeth. No teeth. Let me see your big paws. Your big paws. Can I see them? Look at them tiger paws. Open your mouth. Can I see your mouth? Your tiger teeth. Your tiger teeth. Ah, no teeth. No claws either. Look at them big tiger claws.
And the possum's still missing. I'm coming in. Why is there a chicken on your sink? The kittens are still here. There's a duck in your toilet. There's no animal. There's a pig in your shit.
Francis? Come here, Francis. That's my girl Rose. Boop the nose, boop the ear, boop the tail, boop the tummy. Everybody. Hi, everyone. How was nap time?
3, 2, 1.啦啦，哒哒，我的。
Get your tongue off my door. Get it off my door. Next. Get your tongue. Get it off my door. Next. Next. Get your tongue off my door. Thank you. Don't. Stop it. Stop it. Next. Stop licking my door. Stop. Next. Stop licking it. Stop it. Now don't start scratching it, that's worse.
Come on, Fiji. Come on.
baby. Hello. Be careful.
¿Alguna vez has visto un mapache bostezar? De nada.
Cuda. You're fat. And I love you. Fatty.
Maria, no. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, God, I hate my life. Ugh. Well, I'm going in the house. Goodbye.
You are my best friend, my only best friend. You make me happy, best friend. And guys are
Just like a real pickle. Hey, you're getting two little tusks up here. Cute. A couple more incisor tusks right there and there. Those are new. That's good. Some dental development's going on. Oh, tiny little ones. Great, the pokey, scary ones at front that can hurt us. Yeah, that's the tongue that's.
You got this, Travis. Make him wait for it. Boom.